Psychology can be a really great major for people who are interested in going into lots of different fields. Of course, if you want to be a therapist or a social worker, those are good options, but it's also good for people who want to get into human resources, people who want to run their own businesses, anything where you're going to work with people and want to understand human behavior. So it's a very flexible major also, and we have lots of students who decide to double major with psychology or pick up a minor as well.
What can they do with it afterwards?
About half of our students end up going on into graduate school of some sort. So social work, therapy, lots of students are getting PhDs, so they become academics, right, and researchers. But really anything. We've had people go into law, we've had people go into medical school, we've had people go into human resources and other areas too.
Any advice for the class?
Advice: study hard and come see all of the faculty members. Our doors are open all the time. Come see us, come talk to us. We're happy to talk with you about anything.